Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter Deductions from Moivre's Theorem, lecture number 11, in which I will solve some problems on the expansions of cos theta, sin theta and tan theta in powers of theta. Now we solve a problem. Problem is so that pi square by 2 multiplied by 4 minus pi to the power 4 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 multiply 8 plus pi to the power 6 by 2 multiply 4 multiply 6 multiply 8 multiply 10 multiply 12 minus dot equal to 1. Now we prove this. Solution. Left hand side of the problem is pi square by 2 multiply 2 square, 4 means 2 square, multiply pi to the power 4 by, we take 2 from each. Here 4 means 2 multiply 2, 6 means 2 multiply 3, 8 means 2 multiply 4. So we get 2 to the power 4 multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus pi to the power 6. Here also we take 2 from each number. Here 2 means 2 multiply 1, 4 means 2 multiply 2, 6 means 2 multiply 3, and in this way we get 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6 multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5 multiply 6 minus dot. Let pi by 2 equal to theta. Therefore 1 may be written as, here pi by 2 whole square means theta square. Theta square by 2 means factorial 2 minus pi by 2 whole to the power 4 means theta to the power 4 by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 factorial 4 plus pi by 2 whole to the power 6 means theta to the power 6 by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5 multiply 6 means factorial 6 minus dot. This equal to theta square by factorial 2 minus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 plus theta to the power 6 by factorial 6 minus dot. Minus 1 plus 1, and this will be equal to 1 minus, we take firstly this 1 minus theta square by factorial 2. Here theta square by factorial 2 is positive, here minus plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus theta to the power 6 by factorial 6 plus dot. This equal to 1 minus, this is cos theta. This is expansion of cos theta in powers of theta, and this equal to 1 minus cos theta means pi by 2. This equal to 1 minus cos pi by 2 is 0, and this equal to 1, which is equal to right hand side, and proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is if sine theta by theta equal to 1349 by 1350, then show that theta equal to 1 by 15 radian. Now we solve this. Since 1349 by 1350 tends to 1, implies that sine theta by theta, this equal to sine theta by theta, tends to 1, implies that theta tends to 0. That is, theta is very small quantity. Therefore, sine theta may be expanded in powers of theta as sine theta equal to theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 dot, implies that sine theta by theta equal to 1 by theta, theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 dot, and this equal to 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 5 minus dot dot dot. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Since theta is very small, therefore values of higher power of theta may be neglected. Therefore, 4 may be written as sine theta by theta equal to 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 means 6, and sine theta by theta is 1349 by 1350. This equal to 1 minus theta square by 6. We may write this 1 minus 1 by 1350 equal to 1 minus theta square by 6, implies that theta square by 6 equal to 1 by 1350, implies that theta square equal to 6 by 1350, and this is equal to 1 by 225, implies that theta equal to 1 by 15 radian. So proved. Now we solve the next problem. Problem is if cos theta equal to theta, then show that theta equal to 0.73 nearly. Now we solve this. Since given that cos theta equal to theta, implies that cos theta means 1 minus theta square by factorial 2 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus dot 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 equal to theta. Let this is number 1. Neglecting higher power of theta in left hand side, we get 1 minus theta square by factorial 2 means 2 equal to theta, implies that 2 minus theta square by 2 equal to theta, implies that 2 minus theta square equal to 2 theta, implies that theta square plus 2 theta minus 2 equal to 0, implies that theta equal to minus b means minus 2 plus minus square root b square means 2 square minus 4 into a means 1, c means minus 2 by 2a means 1, implies that theta equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 8 by 2, implies that theta equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 12 by 2, implies that theta equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root 3 by 2, this equal to minus 1, dividing by 2 minus 1 plus minus square root 3, implies that theta equal to minus 1 plus minus 1.732, implies that here we consider only positive sign. So theta equal to minus 1 plus 1.732, implies that theta equal to 0.732. This is equivalent to 0.73 approx. Therefore, theta equal to 0.73 nearly. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is if sine theta equal to 0.9998, then find the approximate value of theta. Since given that sine theta equal to 0.9998, that is sine theta tends to 1, implies that theta tends to pi by 2. Let theta equal to pi by 2 minus phi. Therefore, phi tends to 0. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Here theta tends to pi, then phi tends to 0. Therefore, 1 may be written as sine theta means pi by 2 minus phi equal to 0.9998, implies that sine pi by 2 minus phi is cos phi equal to 1 minus, we may write this 0.0002. Phi is very small, therefore we may expand this 1 minus phi square by factorial 2 plus phi to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus dot 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 equal to 1 minus 0.0002. This is number 5. Since phi tends to 0, that is very small, therefore neglecting the value of higher power of phi, we get 1 minus phi square by factorial 2 means 2 equal to 1 minus 0.0002 implies that phi square by 2 equal to 0.0002 implies that phi square equal to 0.0004 implies that phi equal to square root of this is 0.02 radian implies that phi is pi by 2 minus theta equal to 0.02 radian implies that theta equal to pi by 2 minus 0.02 implies that theta equal to, this is 22 by 7 multiply 2 minus 0.02 implies that theta equal to, this is equal to 1.5714 minus 0.02, this equal to 1.5514. This is radian, which is the approximate value of theta. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is if sin theta by theta equal to 863 by 864, then show that theta equal to 4 degree 47 minute approximately. Now we solve this. Solution. Since 863 by 864 tends to 1, therefore sin theta by theta tends to 1 implies that theta tends to 0. Therefore sin theta by theta equal to, we may expand sin theta in powers of theta because theta tends to 0 here. So this is theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 dot. This sin theta by theta equal to 863 by 864, and this is 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 implies that 1 minus, this is 1 by 864, this is equal to 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 means 6, neglecting higher power of theta implies that theta square by 6 equal to 1 by 864 implies that theta square equal to 6 by 864. This equal to 6 by 864. We cancel this by 2, 3, here 4, 32. Here 3 ones are 3, here 1, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12. This is 1 by 144. Implies that theta equal to 1 by 12 radian. This is radian. We convert this in degree. 1 by 12 multiply 180 by pi degree, and this will be equal to 1 by 12 multiply 180 by 22 by 7, and this is equal to 1 by 12 multiply 7 multiply 180 by 22. This is 90, 11, and this is 45, here 6, here 15, here 2. This is equal to 105 by 22, and this will be equal to 417 by 22. This is degree. This is equal to 4 degree plus 17 by 22 multiply 60 minute, and this will be equal to 4 degree. This is 47 minute approx. So our problem is solved. Now we solve the next problem. Problem is, if sin theta by theta equal to 19493 by 19494, so that theta equal to 1 degree nearly. Now we solve this. Since 19493 by 19494 tends to 1, implies that sin theta by theta tends to 1, implies that theta tends to 0. Therefore, we may expand sin theta by theta in powers of theta. This is equal to 1 by theta. Sin theta will be equal to theta minus theta cube by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 dot. And this is equal to 19493 by 19494. This is equal to 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 plus theta to the power 4 by factorial 5 minus dot 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 dot. Implies that this will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 19494. Here 1 minus theta square by factorial 3 means 6, neglecting higher powers of theta, higher orders. Implies that theta square by 6 equal to 1 by 19494. Implies that theta square equal to 6 by 19494, and this is equal to 1 by 3249. Implies that theta equal to, taking square root, 1 by 57 radian. Implies that theta equal to 1 by 57 radian multiply 180 by pi. This is degree. Conversion of radian into degree. and this will be equal to 1 by 57 multiply 180 by 22 by 7. This is multiply 7. This is degree, and this is equal to 630 by 627. This is 1.0047 degree. This is equivalent to 1 degree approximately. Therefore, theta equal to 1 degree nearly. So our problem is solved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.